Change controls or change management are a necessary part of any pharmaceutical production process. Today, many companies manage their change controls processes between internal sites or external parties via emails, multiple documents, SharePoint drives. It's not very effective, and it's not a great way to get things done quickly and everybody on the same page. What we're looking at here is TraceLink Agile Issue Management, and specifically the change management capability. I'm logged in as a supply chain planner or member of the supplier relationship team at Reading Pharma, and what I'm looking at here are all of my open change controls between all of my partners. I can see what the material category is, the change title, who needs to sign off on this change. Is it something that's done at the site level? Is it something that I need senior director in my company or director level, and so on? I can look at the supplier name, the contact at the supplier, who owns it in my company. Is it manufacturing operations or direct materials quality or external manufacturing quality? I can look at what sites are impacted by this product, and these can be internal or external sites by this particular change, and which products at those sites are impacted by it. I can see if it's when it's been last touched or looked at by somebody, and I can see what the due date is that I put on the change process to get it complete. So let's take a look at one of these. In this case, I've got a situation where I've had to change out a sub-supplier for a pre-filled syringe needle here. And I can see my supplier is CMO Inc. I own it as a drug delivery control, which is a part of my quality team. And I can see this particular change of this changing out this needle impacts 2 sites and 3 different products here. So let me take a look at the details behind this. What we've done here was when I shared it, this was created by my supplier, and it's actually a forced sub-supplier change from the needle manufacturer, the company that makes the pre-filled syringes here. I've documented it. There's a new agreement in place. This is going to impact me for about the next 2 years. And so we need to assess and evaluate the new supplier, conduct an audit of their facilities. So what I'm using change management for is to control this whole process of everybody that needs to be involved. I've created the change profile. I know who's the responsible party on the other side at my supplier, and they've got access to this. I've invited them to come in and join this application, and we have complete visibility into what's going on between both parties here. I've assessed the impact of the change and captured some information about this. I've looked at when was the last time we audited that supplier, and I have some other reference values or for referring to other systems and what the material codes are and things like that. Down here, I'm going to be able to capture the dialogue about this particular change control. I can invite the supplier in, I can invite members of my own team here, attach documents, so they're not buried 100 emails deep. All the supporting documents that I need to manage this change or any other change are here together in one place. I can quickly capture which sites and which products are impacted by this. I can look at the history of this change process, and I can look at the followers of this. So my management team or other members of my team can follow this change and receive alerts and notifications when things are updated, things close out, and things move along through the process here. I can make changes to this. I can make edits to the change and edit the information that I have in here. I can close it out, copy it, or unfollow. So everything is in one place. It's not lost in emails. Everyone's got full visibility into what's happening with the particular change control. Everyone's on the same page. Everyone knows what the next step is. And I'm getting these changes managed faster, so I'm not impacting the flow and throughput of my manufacturing processes. I'm not impacting the cost of my product, and I'm not impacting my revenue.